Hello, I'm happy to be in IFA 2025, the large show that we have in Berlin to propose to the market all the consumer goods that they need to their home and gardens. So today I will be happy to present to you our last innovation. Our last innovation is Wybot S3. Wybot S3 is the ultimate machine that we have in the pool cleaning industry. This machine is doing everything that you can think of. It's doing everything that vacuum cleaners do in home and apartments, but it's doing that in a pool. What do we have to constitute this machine? We have, of course, the cleaning device. And this cleaning device, it does amazing things that no other device in this show is doing. First, it is capable to charge underwater. When the battery has completed the cycle, the robot can come down and climb to the charging dock. And the charging dock, just imagine what? This charging dock is a solar panel. So you have a solar panel here getting the energy from the sun, and in a very natural manner, every day it will charge from the sun, and then when you will program it, it will go to the pool and do the cleaning cycle. So this charging capability is something already amazing that we have to that machine. Another thing that machine has as a very unique selling point, this machine is a pool cleaning robot that is able to empty the debris basket by itself. When you will come back under the water level into the charging dock, you will wait here for a few minutes, and then we will revert the water flow from the pool into the cartridge. We will take the debris out into this column, and we will bring the debris in the pool side into a debris drawer that is there to collect your debris back in the machine. So the water will flow back with the debris up into the device. The debris will be captured there, and the excess water will flow down into the water. We will see a demo for that in the pool. So this is kind of amazing. That's the only robot that we have seen in this show able to do that in a pool. Of course, you have robots able to do that in an apartment, but this robot is emptying the debris basket by itself, giving it a usage span of 1 month. Our idea is that during a 1 month, you could avoid caring about the robots. Apart from that, this robot has other capabilities that are linked to camera and AI. This robot is also able, while it's cleaning, to open the eyes with a camera and to do what you want this robot to do. What you want this robot to do when you are a pool owner, you want the robot to go direct to pick the debris, the leaves, the gravels, the sand that you find in the poolside. And the robot will open its camera, and the robot will see the pool just like you see the pool, and the robot will do in the pool what you would like the robot to do. So this is not a robot. This is an intelligent, smart device, nearly a person, able to sense where the debris are in the pool and to target them immediately. So we'll have a demo in the pool for all that. And you will see it has even more capabilities, because with the app, we're able to see also in the app the pool layout, and you will see the robots moving in the pool. Okay, now we will see that in real conditions. So I presented the features of a robot on the booth. This robot is able, when it ends the cleaning cycle, to go back to the charging dock to get solo charging and also to empty the debris baskets. So this is what we are seeing now, that the robot has completed the cleaning cycle, and now the robot will look how to go back into the charging station. So how do we do that? In fact, we shout to the robot instruction, come back, come back, come back. And the robot has 2 ears, and it will listen where the sound is coming from, and it will head direct to the charging base. So that's amazing already. And now, if we are outside with the sun, the robot is starting to charge. In few seconds, we will start to empty the debris baskets. What we will do, we will take the water from the pool, pass it through the filter into the robot, and move the water with the leaves. When the battery is depleted at the end of a cleaning cycle, the robot will go back to the charging station. How do we do it? Here the robot is climbed direct and docked to the charging station, and then it will start to get the energy from the sun, starting to charge the robot. But before that, we need to clean the debris baskets. So in few seconds, we will revert the water flow. We will take water from the pool, bring the water up together with the debris into the drawer, and all the leaves that were in the filter basket are now moving up into the pool side, into a drawer where you will have debris. And the excess water that you have is coming back to the pool in a cascade mode. That's nice on your pool, but the beauty of that is mainly that it's cleaning its baskets while it's doing that. So the intention with this product is that you can leave the product for 1 month alone, and the product will go run and clean in the pool. When the battery is depleted, the robot is coming back to the charging dock, and the debris are coming back to the pool side. As the debris is extracted from the pool, they will not pollute your pool. There will not be algae presence or bacteria presence in your pool. Everything is taken out. So your pool will stay clean for a period of 1 month. So that's the magic of Wybot S3, is to complete everything that you wanted for a pool robot. I mean, you have a smart individual in your pool, you can trust him, and this individual in your pool is a trusted person who will guarantee to you that your pool is always clean. That's the beauty of Wybot S3.